All right. Hello, everyone. This is immigration attorney Moumita, and I am here live to talk to you about immigration. And the question for you today is, are you making excuses for your U.S. citizen spouse's bad behavior against you? Are you making excuses about your U.S. citizen or your green card holding wife or husband's behavior, saying that, oh, it's not really so bad, or oh, he didn't really mean that, or she didn't really mean to do this, or no, it's okay, it's just a little trouble that all couples go through? Are you making these excuses for their bad behavior, and is this preventing you from getting your green card on your own, or is it preventing you from taking control of your situation? This is an important topic that I would like to discuss with you today, because I very often speak to people who are having lots of marital difficulties where the spouses are even threatening to take kids away or making you feel very, very bad about yourself to the point where you might be crying at night or unable to sleep, or you get so stressed out or so anxious about what is going to happen with your green card case or your waiver case and whether you can move forward, whether you're going to have any control, and making you feel like maybe you're trapped in the situation and you have no option but to put up with this behavior. Well, what I'm telling you is this: your first instinct may be to excuse your spouse's bad behavior and brush it off because you say that, oh, they really didn't mean to be that bad, or no, they apologize. However, if you keep going through this process of getting this negative treatment, being feeling bad, feeling psychological harm, feeling stressed out, and just generally feeling lots of tension about your situation, and you are undocumented, you're an immigrant, you are hoping to apply for a green card, or you have already started the green card process, I am here to tell you that you may be able to continue on your own and file for a self petition for a green card so that you can have control over your own situation and have some hope again in your life. Because nobody deserves to live feeling bad because of their spouse. If your spouse is intentionally causing you to be insulted, if you keep being told by your spouse that you're too sensitive, that was nothing, this, I was just joking, but you know deep down inside that what they said to you or what they did to you really hurts, or they keep apologizing, however, the apologies are basically lacking any meaning at this point because they keep repeating this harmful behavior towards you, then please do give us a call, 212-248-7907. You may have the option of filing for a green card on your own through a process called the VAWA Self Petition. And for this self petition, here are some of the most important things that you should keep in mind. Number one, you do need to be married to a US citizen or to a green card holder, or you can even be divorced from them as long as the divorce did not happen more than 2 years ago. So if you got divorced in 2019, please go take a look at your divorce judgment of divorce to see what the date is, to see what the date of filing is. Let's see if we possibly can go and get you this application. Number two, you must have entered into this marriage with good faith. This means that you must have married for the purpose of joining your lives together and having a home. And you should not have married just for the purpose of getting a green card. Number three, you must also show that you shared a residence with your spouse. Whether you live together for 1 week or 1 year or 1 month, whatever amount of time you and your spouse shared a home together, we must be able to show this somehow. And don't worry, if you think that you don't have any proof, we will work together to see what evidence that you can provide to support your claim that you did share a residence. But this is actually one of the toughest things and most important things to prove for a VAWA case, especially because you must be able to show that this shared residence occurred during the course of the marriage. So it must have been after the date of marriage. And next, you must show that you are a person of good moral character. If you have certain arrests, it may not be a problem. It may be an issue. However, make sure you get your arrest records and make sure you tell your attorney everything, okay? And hello to everyone who's watching. I just wanted to go over this real quick because I think that if you are making, excuses for your spouse's behavior towards you, then you already know that something must be wrong. And perhaps you already feel that you have no option except to put up with it, because what other option do you have? You might be fearful of getting deported or never getting your green card as a result. And I am here to tell you that you may have an option. You do not have to put up with that, okay? So 212-248-7907. I would be very happy to speak with you to go over your options to see if you qualify and to see if we can move forward so you can have some control over your own situation, all right? And with that, I wish everyone a good night. 212-248-7907. I hope to speak to anyone who needs assistance soon. Take care, everyone.